Given problem, a square plus b square equal 25. A power 4 plus b power 4 equal 425. Find a cubed plus b cubed. So, a greater than 0, b greater than 0. Solution. Given problem, a square plus b square equal 25. A power 4 plus b power 4 equal to 425. We know x plus y whole square equal x square plus y square plus 2xy. Formula. A square plus b square equal to 25 whole square. So apply this formula. X plus y whole square equal x square plus y square plus 2xy. Apply a square whole square b square whole square plus 2a square b square equal 25 square. 25 square equal to shortcut 5 square 2 into 3. Next number to multiplication. 2 3 just 6. 5 square 25. 625. 25 square equal to 625. A power m whole power n equal to just multiplication. M into n. A power mn. So apply here 2 2 ja 4. A power 4. 2 2 ja 4. B power 4 plus 2a square b square equal to 625. Let's recall. A power 4 plus b power 4 equal to 425. A power 4 plus b power 4 425 plus 2a square b square 625. 425 transport right side. 2a square b square equal to 625 minus 425. So subtract 200. 2a square b square equal to 200. Both side divide by 2. 2 2 cancel. 200. A square b square equal to 100. This can write ab whole square equal to 100 plus or minus 10 whole square. So square and square cancel. AB equal to plus or minus 10. AB equal to only positive value possible because A greater than 0, B greater than 0. So AB greater than 0. AB not equal to minus 10. This is not impossible. AB equal to 10. Next, same. A plus B whole square equal to A square B square plus 2AB. A plus B whole square equal to, recall A square plus B square equal 25 and AB equal 10. 2 into 10. So 25 plus 20, 45. A plus B equal to square root 45. That equal to root 45 factors 9 into 9 5 root 9 root 5 plus or minus root 9 equal to 3 root 5. Same A plus B equal to 3 root 5 because A greater than 0, B greater than 0, A plus B greater than 0. And a cubed plus b cubed equal to a plus b a square minus ab plus b square. A cube plus b cube a plus b can write as a square plus b square, a square plus b square minus a. Recall a plus b equal to 3 root 5 and ab equal to 10. A cubed plus b cubed equal to a plus b equal to 3 root 5. Substitute 3 root 5. A square plus b square 10. A square plus b square in 25. Square plus b square equal to 25. 25 minus ab equal to 10. Substitute all values. A cube plus b cubed equal to 3 root 5. 25 minus 10, 15. So 3 and 15, 3 into 15 root 5. 3 15 45 root 5. So finally a cube plus b cubed equal to 45 root 5.